Welcome back to the channel. In this one, I just want to touch base with you all in regards to the throttle spacer video we posted a couple of months back. Basically, we threw in a couple of pieces of plastic in the throttle housing of my Thruxton in hopes of fixing the snatchy throttle issue that seems to plague the ride-by-wire systems of Triumphs and Ducatis alike. So I got the kit from DucatiSpacers.com, and before I go on, I just want to mention that we aren't sponsored nor affiliated with them in any way. Saying that, a quick check on their website shows this kit seems to be available for a whole host of Ducatis and Triumphs, from the Speed Triple to the Street Scrambler, starting from production year 2016 onwards, with models that have the ride-by-wire system. These little pieces of plastic, to be exact, come with a pretty big claim, stating that they remove the slack from the throttle, giving you a more traditional and progressive feeling. Now that's a huge promise for a whole 36 bucks shipped to your door. I personally didn't believe it, so I added them to my cart, pressed checkout, and patiently waited. A couple of days later, they arrived, a small little brown envelope with a clear package, 2 pieces of plastic, a driver bit, plasticized instructions were found inside. So I made small work of the install, disassembled the throttle housing, popped the 2 red pieces of plastic in, reassembled everything, and then let the bike sit for another 2 months till we got some decent weather and I was able to do a real review. So fast forward to last week, it was about 10 degrees Celsius outside, so now's the time to test these things out. Now, one thing I love about my Street Triple R is how the throttle, which is actually cable actuated, is seamless on and off. Basically, a smooth transition from partial to 100% throttle, which was never the case with the Thruxton. The amount of free play in the throttle makes starting from a stop very interesting to say the least. I would always rev it a bit higher after coming to a stop just to try and remedy the jerkiness when it came time to set off again. Now, I won't say that this modification is the best thing since sliced bread. However, it's pretty damn close. I would say the bike has been completely transformed. The jerkiness is gone, throttle is crisp now and predictable. Starting from a stop is no longer a guessing game. So in short, I think this is the best and first mod you could and should do to any Thruxton or any other Triumph that the kit is available for. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. So if you've already installed these on your Triumph or Ducati, let us know in the comments down below. What do you think about them? Also, what was your initial reaction after your first ride? We'd like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day.